Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we'll be working on BMW E65 E66 guys, and we'll be removing exhaust on that thing. Stay with us. We'll show you how to remove the exhaust, what kind of problems you might run into if you have more miles on your car and it never been removed. So we'll have many more videos guys, and we'll be doing actually a replacement of driveshaft support bearing, and you can see the flex disc as well in another video. So for that procedure we'll need to remove the exhaust, and that's why we are making the video guys, so you can see what kind of problems to expect. Please check out our website mechaniclifestyle.com. We have all the tools necessary for the job and the links where to get them and where we buy our stuff from. So we have the car on stands, but you have to have lift to do that job. It will be way better. It's a little bit dangerous. You have to always support it as much as you can. We have jack stands and jacks all over the place now. So that's the exhaust guys, right here. Okay. And the problem we run into, okay, the nuts are too little. I think they're 10 or 11 millimeter, and they corrode really bad from the heat. The bolts are fine, but this nut actually broke. The other nuts were almost done, and on this side there as well. We saved the bolts there, but let me show you actually what happened to the nuts now. Alright guys, this is the nuts right here. Yep, it's nuts right here guys. You can see this one was just done. It was welded to the bolt and we snapped the bolt, so we need to replace the bolt. We'll show you how to hammer it out once you're done, and how to install replacement bolt as well. Those are the other nuts. You can see how wore out they were from the heat. Check this thing out. It was barely holding. I mean, the exhaust was gonna come off any time. Okay, that's one of the nuts guys. You can see that's only the thread of the nut left. Looks kind of like a spring now. That just I can believe that it was still holding the exhaust without having any extra noise coming out of there. So that's what it is guys. Next we can proceed with removing the exhaust. Okay, let me get under the car here. And 13 millimeter socket there. Okay, we have two nuts. We're trying our best video guys, because without having the lift and stuff, it's almost impossible to get a good angle. Okay, there towards the back, 13 millimeter again. Okay, you can see. More on this side now. Okay, this thing came out. We have a plastic piece here that we removed. I'll show you how to do it. It's super easy. Once we drop the exhaust, if you need to get to the flex disc or the support bearing as well. Okay guys, this is all the bolts that we removed for that support right here. We should have 8 of them. You can see with a 13 millimeter, 2, 4, 6, 8. So guys, now we need to go towards the rear axle. Okay. Let me get there somehow. Okay, you can see that's the differential right here. So there is a nut that we need to remove with an 18 millimeter. Box wrench works really good. Box wrench is good to get there. Okay, that's the one holding the exhaust up there next to the differential. It's more on the driver's side, so you should be able to get to it. Okay, next we're gonna go towards the back And let's see now what we need to do here. Okay, it's a big mess here, complicated exhaust. We'll need to disconnect a vacuum line here as well. Okay, right there is another one with a 13mm. Okay, that's the nut. There, we remove that one out of the way now. That's the valve that has been closed by a vacuum line here, so we'll need to pull it out. Okay, we just disconnect it. Okay, and next we'll get an extension like that on the 13mm so we can get to it now. Okay, I'll just leave the camera here because I need to hold the exhaust. Okay, it's out. Now let's see if something else is still holding there. And towards there we removed one with the 13. We have a second one we forgot about. Okay, we got it out now. Okay, let's see now what else is holding here and there. Okay guys, so we had a little problem with that 18mm nut where it was holding. Actually that exhaust was stuck there, so we had to pull it out a little bit. Okay, and we had the bucket here to support it. It's extremely heavy guys, and it's very dangerous job, so yeah, it's about to come out. Huge exhaust, huge. Okay, let's see if it can actually come out. No. That's the one that was stuck on the thread like that here. So this is the exhaust out of the car guys, right there. So that's how you guys remove the exhaust on a E65 E66. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please subscribe guys. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.